Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Jovenal Narcisse. And for today's video, I'm going to unbox an item that I ordered from the United States, and as usual, I had to address the shipment to the Johnny Air Cargo Plus, which is based in Los Angeles, California. And there is a story of this item that I'm going to unbox because a friend of mine from Instagram posted this item as his socks with his boots, sneakers, and shoes together with his selvage denim jeans. And I was impressed on the prints that are available on the socks. It reminds me of my first socks that I'm using from Comfy Socks and from other sock brands. And when I saw the socks that he posted, I immediately researched on it, and I went to their website, and I was able to order 5 pairs of winter socks. And I didn't know that there is a wool and a cotton items. So I ordered the wool item, and I hope it's not too hot for me to use here in the Philippines. However, it will be good for my boots. I'm going to unbox these winter socks. Actually, I ordered this item on September 19, and after 10 days or 12 days, it arrived here in the Philippines because the shipping of this item is free. Plus the fact that for 5 items, I only paid $29.99, and the shipping is free. So it was a good deal, and it arrived here in the Philippines after 10 days, and I just happened to pick it up, and I only paid 1,000 pesos for the shipping fee from my Los Angeles address to the Philippines, which is nice. And we're going to unbox it. Oh, very nice. These are, this is merino, and the size is merino wool with acrylic, polyester, and elastane. And this is the Ida Mountain collection, and the size is large, which would fit to size 8 to 10. And I'm going to see the item. Oh my goodness, these are thick, and it's nice for the boots. The prints are very nice. So I promised to my friend, one of my friends here in the Philippines, that I'm going to give three pairs of this. And they're nice. They're very thick, they're very comfortable, and very stretchy. We'll get one more. This is also a very nice print. Here's the second one. Then nice print, third one. and pink and red and purple, and this one is red. So holding each one, see, this is an early Christmas treat. Very nice. So nice Christmas socks, winter socks, mountain collection, Ida. The name of the model is Ida, and this is the mountain collection socks from Nordic Socks. If you have any comments, please say so in the comment section. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe and click that notification bell for my future videos in this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and have a good day. Bye.